Hi everyone, it's Melissa
and Desiree.
Welcome to another episode of Teen Gen Talks, where the goal is to empower the youth of Glendale and connect youth to community resources, individuals, and organizations through interviews and discussions.
Today we have a special Halloween episode for you. We will be having a gingerbread haunted house competition. We will have 15 minutes to complete the gingerbread haunted house.
But before we get started, don't forget to follow us on our socials, on Facebook and Instagram at MyGlendelleLAC. And if you listen to podcasts, listen to us on Spotify, Apple, or wherever you listen to podcasts from. Also make sure to give us a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel at Glendale Library Arts and Culture, where we post full episodes every Friday at 4:30 p.m.
Yeah, so let's get started on this gingerbread haunted house competition.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Start.
Okay. I don't even know where to.
I'll do this.
Okay, yeah, you could cut it out first.
In case if I screw this up.
Wait, I think this is...
We have to make this warm.
Oh.
Because it has to be...
for 1 to whatever minute.
Okay.
Clearly we don't read instructions.
Pause.
One eternity later.
I know some people eat this.
Right. Okay.
I'm not the type of person.
This is all for display
Looks.
and looks.
Oh, it smells. It's weird. I'm not a big fan of gingerbread, but I like. I'm gonna open those later. I don't know if I'll get to there.
I'm sure you will.
I don't know. I think you have a lot of high hopes.
I do. I have high hopes for you.
Okay, so now, should I
Yeah.
start it?
Yeah.
Okay, 15 minutes.
Is this the bottom?
Ready, set, go.
Is this the... Oh, this is the bottom. Okay, figure this
Good
out.
thing you're talking out loud.
Sorry.
Because I can't screw this up if someone tells me.
Sorry. Gosh, this is gonna hurt my hands afterwards.
Now I'm definitely not trying the try. This is like...
Also, this doesn't... How is this supposed to...
How are we gonna do a one for Christmas if we're having trouble with this?
I know.
I meant the holidays time. I feel like I'm gonna run out of chocolate before.
Right.
It's like weird about the chocolate too. It doesn't really like...
Like, I feel like this isn't sticky enough.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, like even on my finger, like if I have to... It doesn't really work that well either. Like, see, like, look, I'm like, it comes off just like that.
Is this the... this is the front door? No. Wait, what?
No, I don't think it matters.
Well... It doesn't even stick.
The heck? Is it?
How the heck does it stick? Because
This is the roof. I thought that was... Whoops, wrong way.
Yeah, it doesn't hold together. Hello?
Knock, knock. I know. If it makes you feel any better, you don't get used to
The smell.
no. Yeah, like the smell is like, yeah.
It's not horrible, but it's not the best.
Yeah.
I swear I'm gonna get chocolate all over me. But at this point, like, do I care? Not really.
Oh. Wrong way. Oh my god, I'm really worried about my brain sometimes. I don't know why I put it on here when it doesn't even go.
Wait. Do you like how I say wait to myself? Oh, wait. Okay.
See? It like...
Uh-huh. Yeah.
This is, I think, a lot better, like, because I've done, like, the,
Oh.
yeah, it's
That was
like,
so
it
hot.
literally, yeah. It's because I messed up. Now it's going to be a competition.
Yeah, now we're like, now. We've helped each other a bit.
No.
And
Stay.
No. How? What? Okay.
I feel like what we should have done is just put, like, all the chocolate in, like, the middle. Oh,
Oh,
I
okay.
forgot about this. I forgot I had it. You know, and then, like, shared the chocolate.
Oh my god, this is such a mess.
I'm still standing.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Thanks for that. No, I'm just...
Oh, wrong way again.
I told you yours was gonna be better.
But I think it's you know how like you played with it more.
Yeah.
From when I do gingerbread houses, I think it's because I play with it so much.
Mm-hmm.
Am I supposed to do the?
What?
I didn't know I was supposed to do this part. Oh, well, that's when mine will fall.
I feel like I'm a child.
You know what's so crazy though? How like there's some like how like kids do this, right, for like a full-on competition.
Oh yeah, and they're like really, really, really good at it.
Yeah.
And I'm just like, you're like, can't relate.
Yeah, and I'm like,
Mm.
yeah, I don't understand how. Oh, there we go. So I like yours.
Thanks, but yeah, I think after this is done, it's like,
No, stay.
just there we go. Oh, why won't that stay?
I wonder, do you think I need to put more chocolate?
Maybe, yeah.
See, this is gonna be my downfall.
The roof?
Yeah.
This is Melissa's process. We were literally like, this is not a competition anymore, we just want to finish.
I know. I wanted at least that.
This is mine. It's slanted and it has chocolate all over it. But our process.
When? Welcome back to Teen Gen Talks.
Yeah, we're not done yet.
No. 15
What
minutes.
am I doing? Oh, I could start decorating now.
Oh, I'm decorating now. Okay.
Yeah, this is mine. Mine is slanted.
But see, yours is together.
Okay, I'm gonna start decorating. Do I know what
15 minutes turned into
like an hour?
yeah.
That's okay.
It would be funny.
Hmm.
Let's say that like it didn't capture us like doing the beginning of this.
Oh my gosh. I swear.
But how funny would that be?
It would be pretty funny.
Because
Your head is cut off, Melissa. Sorry.
you won't sit up straight.
Ooh.
It was air.
Do you like how I'm just like, I know I should probably do what you're doing, but I'm just still...
You never know. Maybe that one's better.
Oh, these are jelly beans.
Oh, that's cute. Why do mine look like poops?
Trying to copy what they did, but you know.
Oh, I thought you were looking at me.
No, sorry, I was looking at the thingy. It's not all about you, Melissa.
It was always about me. I don't know what I'm doing. I've lost all motivation about this.
But did we even have motivation in the beginning?
Probably not. So maybe. So you should like this video if you think we should do another one.
A better one. Will it be? We'll
Probably
see.
not. But yes, of course it was. But you should like this video if you think that like we should do one for like Christmas
Yes.
or the holiday season.
And to think we were gonna... Sorry, to think we wanted to...
What?
You know the contest that they were having? To think we wanted to do that.
Okay. Yeah. So Trader Joe's has a.
They had, yeah, it was, I think you were supposed to turn it in today or whatever.
Yeah, like
but,
a contest.
Yeah,
for-
like the best like haunted gingerbread haunted house thing. And then Melissa's like, we should do it.
Well, you know, I thought.
You had high hopes for us. I love that.
I mean, yeah.
I was gonna be like, if any Trader Joe's employee is watching this, please
Subscribe.
consider us. No, I'm joking.
Yeah.
Subscribe. I'm joking.
Subscribe and been like, we should get these girls to Trader Joe's to show everyone their gingerbread house
There you go.
making.
You know, we're all clearly amazing.
Exactly.